Okay guys, this one is going to be very short because the percentage composition by mass is very straightforward. Again, tends to come up a bit in question 4, just as a quick 6 or 7 marker. There's 3 very simple sums you need to do. It's very straightforward. So, we're looking here at the percentage by mass of carbon in ethanol, C2H5OH. How do I know it's ethanol? Again, the OH. Okay, now this is on page 165, it's question 19. So there's 3 very simple steps in this one. The first step is you find the mass of the whole molecule. So in this case, it's the ethanol. Okay, so there's 2 carbons, so that's 2 times 12, 5 hydrogens, which is 5 times 1, oxygen, which is 16, and that other hydrogen, which is 1. I always do it like that, where I throw in the last hydrogen there at the end, because it just seems to work for me. It means I make less mistakes, you know, when I do it like that. You could always, like, say, instead of saying 5, you say 6, but that's neither here nor there. Okay, so you find the mass of the whole molecule. Okay, that's the first thing. The next thing we're going to do now is we're going to find the total mass of the element of interest, or the element in question. In this case, it's carbon. Okay, in this case, it's carbon. So I know that there's 2 carbons in ethanol. So that's 2 12s is 24. Okay, and then the last step is to express the element as a percentage of the total mass. So basically, it's 24, which is the mass of my carbon, divided by 46, which is the mass of my whole molecule, multiplied by 100 over 1, and that works out at approximately 52%. Okay, so it's relatively straightforward. So what you do is you find the mass of the whole molecule. So in our case, it's ethanol, C2H5OH. You know, it's an alcohol. Again, my big hand in the way, taking the focus off things. So you work it out. 2 12s plus 5 times 1 plus 16 plus 1, and you end up with 46. You find the total mass of the element in question. Okay, so in our case here, there's 2 carbons in ethanol. So that means the total mass of carbon in the molecule is 24. And then we express that as a percentage of that. And that's all I've done down here. Okay, now the best way, guys, of getting used to these is just doing flakes and flakes and flakes of examples in practice. Because how do you get to Carnegie Hall? Practice, practice, practice.